Local market update. Hello, Culver City, Palms, Mar Vista, and Playa Vista. What's the latest housing data for these neighborhoods? The market is heating up, and here are the latest stats for our area. Hi, I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty. Let's look at what's happening in Culver City. At the time of this recording in Culver City, there were 31 active listings, 6 pending homes, and 11 sold homes in the last 30 days. The average list price was $1,578,636, and the average sold price was $1,576,000, and we're on the market an average of 21 days. In Palms Mar Vista, also known as Area 13 on the MLS, we have 75 active homes, 11 pending, and 20 homes sold so far this month after spending an average of 19 days on the market. Homes in the Palms Mar Vista area sold for an average of $2,016,749. Let's take a look at Playa Vista, where we include single-family homes and condos in this area due to the property types offered in this planned urban development. We have 25 active homes, 1 pending, and 14 sold so far this month, with an average days on market of 18 days. The average list price is $1,395,342, and the average sold price for the month is $1,395,625. With the constant shifts, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next moves in real estate. Connect with my team today to get more information, and we can strategize what to do with your home. And again, I'm Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty, giving you your perfect home made in LA.